Hi guys, I hope you had a great spring break, able to relax and get away from your computer for a little bit. I'm excited about this next lesson that we have coming up this week. You are going to be using a creative problem solving strategy called Scamper to improve a roller coaster ride. So you'll see kind of the basic activities in It's Learning, but I want you to hop into Google Classrooms and find the assignment under the Classwork tab that's called Amusement Park Ride Scamper. So you're going to click on that, and this will give you all of the information that you need to work through your project. So your goal for this week is to complete steps 1 and 2 by Thursday, and then you'll have some additional time the following week to work on your final presentation. All of this is going to be done through this Google Slides template. So I put everything in there to try to keep it as easy to follow as possible. So first you're going to read an Anaconda mystery and talk about the possible reasons why the ride isn't working. Then you're going to answer the Scamper questions to help improve that roller coaster. Now next week you're going to turn those ideas into a visual presentation. So you guys are going to click on the assignment. And I'm just going to go through and talk to you about what all the different parts are. Okay, so you're going to read this article, short little article. You can click here and I will read it to you. So then you're going to type out at least 5 possible reasons why you think the ride is not working. And of course you can go back and look and kind of see. Then you're going to use the following 8 slides to share your ideas in a text box for each letter of Scamper. You're trying to make the ride fun, safe, and rideable. So S is for substitute. So what materials or resources can you substitute or swap to improve the product being the Anaconda? What other product or process can you use? So you could think about a different ride. You can think about a different type of science that you've learned, like simple machines and that kind of thing. For combine, what would happen if you combined this product with another one to create something new? What if you combined the purpose or objective? That's interesting to think about. What could you combine to maximize the uses of this product? Adapt. What other context could you put your product into? What other products or ideas could you use for inspiration? Magnify. What could be made larger to improve the use of your product? What could you emphasize or highlight to create more value? This one has a pretty cool answer. If you can think of, there's some really good clues in the article for what could be larger to make it a lot better. Put to another use. How can you put this product somewhere else, perhaps in another industry? So maybe it's not an amusement park ride anymore. How could this product behave differently in another setting? Could you recycle the waste from this product to make something new? So think about what you might be taking out and how you could use that in something else entirely. Eliminate, which means to get rid of. How could you streamline or simplify this product? So take out some of the parts that aren't as necessary. What features, parts, or rules could you eliminate? What could you understate or tone down? So kind of take the emphasis off of. And rearrange. What would happen if you rearrange this process or sequence things differently? What components could you change the order of in this product? What could you reverse or swap? So next week, we're going to talk about turning your ideas into a visual presentation. Yes, you can see all of the slides for that, but what I want you guys to focus on this week is answering these 8 questions. You do not have to turn in your work when you're done this week. You'll turn it in at the end of next week.